In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch pay bills in Xero. By the end, you'll know how to select multiple bills at once, create a single batch payment, and finalize it with the correct date and bank account so you can pay suppliers quickly and keep your records accurate. First, open Xero and head to Purchases, then choose Bills. This is where all your supplier bills live. Along the top, you'll see tabs that organize bills by status. Click the Awaiting Payment tab to see everything that's approved and ready to be paid. Now, you'll select the bills you want to include in your batch. If you're paying everything listed, use the checkbox at the top of the column to select all bills in one go. If you only want certain bills, you can uncheck any you don't want to include. Before moving on, take a moment to scan the list. Confirm supplier names, due dates, and totals look right, and make sure there aren't any duplicates or bills that should still be under review. A quick check here can prevent errors later. With your bill selected, click Make Payment. From the options that appear, choose Batch Payment. This tells Xero you're creating one organized payment run for multiple bills. When the batch summary appears, click. Continue to move to the Details screen. On the Batch Details page, enter the payment date. This is the date Xero will use to record the payments in your accounts payable and in your bank transactions. Pick the date you expect the funds to leave your bank. Using the correct date keeps your aging reports accurate and helps with cash flow planning. Next, select the bank account you'll pay from. Choose the account that matches how you actually make payments, and make sure its currency and balance fit the payment run. If your organization uses a dedicated payments or clearing account, select that here. A quick double check of the account avoids posting payments to the wrong place. When everything looks correct, your selected bills, the payment date, and the bank account, click. Make payments to finalize the batch. Xero will mark those bills as paid and create the payment entries tied to the account you selected. Depending on your setup, you may then export a bank file or follow your usual process to send the payment with your bank. After your bank it updates, you can reconcile the batch to the matching transaction to keep your records spotless. And that's it. You've efficiently created a batch payment in Xero, saving time while keeping your payables clean and up to date.